Hey, what's up everyone? So welcome to the Carlton by Lennar here in Cadence. Now in this video, we are going to be covering the Cooper floor plan, so stick around. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go for all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome everyone to Carlton at Cadence by Lennar. Now we're located in Cadence Henderson. Now if you're unfamiliar with Cadence, Cadence is about 30 minutes east of Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Beautiful master plan community. It is the most affordable master plan community in Las Vegas. The amenities, they're gonna have a Olympic style swimming pool. They have parks. They're gonna have like an outdoor fitness center. They have trails, they have pickleball. So it's an amazing community, great for families. Now, as far as this community goes, they have 5 different floor plans, which I will have on the screen for you. 5 different floor plans. One of them is gonna be a single story. The other are gonna be 2 stories, all ranging from $393,990 all the way up to $437,990. Now, the thing with Lennar, mainly, you're gonna see a lot of spec homes with Lennar, but it really depends when you get into contract, because if you like a model, they're still 3 months away from it being completely built. You could probably still choose like cabinets, flooring, something like that. But yeah, normally the only upgrades that you can do is flooring, cabinets, countertop, and backsplash, okay? So I would say whenever you look at the base price, the final price is not too far off. It's pretty close to the base price because most people just upgrade like flooring or something like that. The community is just opened up, so they still have quite a few homes to go. As far as the HOA is $103 a month, and that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome everyone to the Cooper floor plan. Now the Cooper floor plan is 1561 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and the base price is $430,990. All right, so paver driveway is included. The front yard desert landscaping is included. Now this is nice because this floor plan has a balcony right outside the primary bedroom, right over there. So the entry door is going to be along the side of the house. So for the most part, what you see is what you get. I'll kind of go ahead and point out the like the upgrade options that you could choose from. Okay, so when you're looking at like the base price, again, base price about $439.90. Out the door price, you're looking at spending just right around that number. The only thing that they don't add to the base price is if you want to do like the flooring upgrade where you get rid of the carpet, that'll be added onto the base price. If you want to upgrade the countertop, so this is actually standard. Okay, so you could definitely save some money, just go with the standard, and then cabinets, right? So those are the 3 things that you can normally upgrade, but everything else is standard. Like the lighting that you see, pre-wired ceiling fans, that's all included. The refrigerator is included. The washer and dryer is not included, okay? But yeah, this is what you see as soon as you walk in. Yeah, so you got your dining room, living room, kitchen, okay? Good sized island. Then you have the 42-inch cabinets. I do believe these are optional cabinets. I think the standard is the white cabinets. You'll have the GE appliance package. So you have this oven, cooktop, this microwave. You'll have that refrigerator. Stainless steel undermount sink right here. Take a look at the refrigerator. Cool. So right over here, you're gonna have your pantry. Okay, so you got some room up top, some room in the bottom over here. This is the door to the garage, but of course the door to the garage is always locked because they use that for storage. So this is your powder room. Okay, you got the pedestal sink, you have the toilet, and then it looks like you have some extra storage space right here. That's good. They want to make sure they don't have any wasted space underneath the stairs. I do like that the builders do that. So right here you have the Honeywell thermostat. Okay, you have this as well that controls, like, you could lock and unlock the door. This also connects to a I believe ADT if you want to, or it may connect to more security companies as well. They could link it to that. Another important thing to note, you're going to get 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. Okay, and then you'll also have pre-wired a ceiling fan in all the bedrooms. Okay, so let's head upstairs. So you have a landing step right here. This is what you see as soon as you walk upstairs. So you're gonna have your 2 guest bedrooms over here, and then you're gonna have your primary bedroom. All right, so they have this little table set up area. Okay, so your small little loft. And then you have your laundry room, full bath, 2 bedrooms. So Lennar, every Lennar home, so that you're always gonna have like this 5-panel door, which is nice. Okay, so you got the chrome hardware. So welcome to guest bedroom number 1. It's pretty spacious actually for you know, this size home. What is it, 1561 square feet? Okay, beautiful mountain views when you're in Cadence, pretty much like in all directions. So a great thing about Cadence too, very family friendly community. You know, if you're active, you know, there's a bunch of amenities. There's trails, parks, or swimming pools. So this is a full-size bed. Hey, again, you could switch that out for the pre-wire to the ceiling fan. That's for the sprinkler system. We have the transfer grills to regulate temperature and prevents the doors from slamming if there's any wind. So we have a full bath. So yeah, everything that you see about this bath is pretty much what you're getting. Again, the quartz. The cabinets might be maybe upgraded. I forget, I have to double check what the standard tile is, but I believe that is standard. But you know, reach out to me and just in case you're curious. That's the standard faucet. That's gonna be all in all the homes, and then the shower tub. And there's no upgrade options either for those things, okay? All right, so here's the laundry room. So you got the washer and dryer. As you can see, it does say optional. Okay, attic access right up there. Now, if you're watching this video and you are interested in new build communities, and you watched several YouTube videos, and you're thinking about going to a new build community for your very first time, guys, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out through the process. But if you're using a realtor already, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Don't go by yourself, because if you go by yourself and the builder agent, they get your name, your email, and your phone number, they won't let you have representation down the road. Definitely want representation because the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, but realtors, we look after your best interests. We've been through this process so many times that we know what to look for. We know what to negotiate. We know when to negotiate. So, get yourself some representation. Okay, so this is going to be the primary closet. Got a nice balcony right here. Can't open it right now. Okay, so we have the walk-in shower. Okay, fiberglass. The dual sinks. And then the toilet right here. Now remember with Lennar, okay? So the way that you see the bathrooms, the configuration of the bathrooms, there's no structural upgrades that you can do. The only options that you have when it comes to Lennar homes is the flooring, the countertop, the cabinets, okay? And you can normally choose those options if they're at least like 2 to 3 months away from completion, because other than that, I mean, they're gonna pick out the options, and most of their homes are gonna be spec homes. So, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, if you're wondering what the incentives are, give me a call, shoot me a text. But thank you so much. I'll catch you guys next video.